Are you still spending hours editing videos, juggling scenes, syncing voiceovers, and still not getting the results you want? What if I told you there's a tool that can turn your ideas into a polished animated video in just 1 minute? And now, let's talk about it. Introducing Deevid AI, a mind-blowing AI video generator that lets you create stunning videos from just text, images, or even an old video you've got lying around. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Deevid gives you text-to-video, image-to-video, video transformation, lip-syncing avatars, Ghibli-style animation, and even AI-generated ads, all in one clean cinematic platform. Thanks to their powerful Kling AI engine, your videos now come alive with fluid motion, cinematic camera angles, and multi-image references without any technical hassle. So, if you're tired of manual editing and need speed, style, and creative power, Deevid might just change your workflow forever. Check the link in the description and try Deevid AI today. On the screen right now, you're looking at the homepage interface of Deevid AI. To get started with creating an account, click on the Start for Free button located at the top right corner of the screen. Here you have 2 options to register a new account. One is by signing up with your Google account, and the second is by using your email address. To keep things quick and simple, I'll go ahead and sign up using my Google account. All right, once you're signed up, click the Try Deevid AI button. And that's how we'll start creating videos. After clicking Try, you'll be brought into the main interface of the software. Now take a look at the left-hand side where you'll see the main menu. We'll go through everything from top to bottom. First up, Explore. In this section, you can browse through a variety of video designs created by other content creators. You can view them and even see the prompts they use to generate those videos. There are tons of dynamic, visually appealing videos to explore here. Next, My Creations. This section will show your own designs. Any images or videos you've created will be saved here. But in this case, I haven't created anything yet, so it's currently empty. Moving on to the core feature of the software, under the Create section. Here you'll find 3 main tools: image-to-video, turning images into videos; text-to-video, transforming written text into video; AI image, creating AI-generated images. These are the main pillars of what Deevid AI offers. Besides that, there's also a section called AI tools below. Let's go through them briefly. First, AI effect. These are pre-made templates and styles created by the platform. They're based on trending formats from social media. You can use them for inspiration or start your own design from there. Then, there's AI lip sync. With this, you can upload a character video, input the dialogue you want them to say, and the character's lip movements will sync perfectly to match the text. Another extra feature is video to video. This allows you to change the style or extend a video based on your original one. In today's video, I'll focus on the main features inside the Create tab, specifically image to video, text to video, AI image. Let's start with image to video, turning an image into a video. Once inside, you'll see the central interface for creating videos from images. There are 3 ways to create a video here. Start image, create a video from a single input image. Image to image, choose a starting image and an ending image, and create a transformation between them, adding movement. Reference images. Use up to 3 reference images and the system will generate a video blending all of them. Let me demo each of these for you. First up, creating a video from one starting image. Here you can see some sample images provided by the software. Click one, then hit the Create button. Good news, using these samples won't cost any credits. Let's try one out. The software just generated a video using that image, based on a preset prompt. Let's play the video. You'll see a girl wearing red-rimmed glasses. That was just a sample. Now let me show you how to create a brand new video from scratch. Step 1. Upload your image. Here's an example image I'll use. Next, enter your prompt, describing what you want in the video. You'll also see an option called AI prompt. If you enable it, the software will auto-enhance your prompt, making it longer and more detailed. I'll turn it on to let the software help develop my idea more thoroughly. Now below, you can choose the AI model, Fast Quality Master. I'll go with Quality 2.0 for this one. Set the video quality and duration. I'll pick 5 seconds. Once everything's ready, click Create. Okay, our video's done. Let's watch the result. Pretty good quality. If you're not satisfied, you can adjust your prompt and click Reprompt, or just create again. You can also use lip sync for this video, or hit Extend to make a longer version of it. Now, let me demo the image-to-image video type, where you morph one image into another. This is especially useful for transformational videos, like character evolutions or background shifts. Upload your starting image and your ending image. For example, I'll start with a rhino and a turtle, and my goal is to create a hybrid creature, a mutant fusion of the two. I'll write a simple prompt. Then turn on AI prompt to let the software expand on it. Set the output quality and video length, and then hit Create. Let's take a look at the result. Nice, that looks pretty good. If you're not happy with it, you can re-edit the prompt, upload new images, or even apply lip sync and extend the video. Next, the final image-to-video method, using multiple reference images. Here, you can upload up to 3 different character images. The software will then create a video that blends all of them together. Alternatively, you can upload 1 or 2 characters and a background image, and Deevid AI will generate a video placing your characters inside that background. For this example, I'll upload a cat warrior character and a forest background. My prompt: a feline warrior walks into the forest. I'll set it to quality 1.5, choose the frame size and duration, and hit Create. Let's watch the output. Looks great. The warrior cat is walking through the forest just like we described. Next, we move to the text-to-video feature. Simply enter your prompt in the input box, then hit Create. It's very straightforward. You'll also see a few sample videos on the side to explore. I already have a prepared prompt, so I'll delete the old one and paste mine in. Below, you'll choose your AI model, Fast Quality Master. Keep in mind, only the master model supports audio output. The others do not include sound. So if you want your video to include speech, select the master model. Then set the quality, duration, and frame. Click Create. And let's check the video. Nice, the video quality is impressive. Compared to popular tools like VO3, Halo, or Kling, Deevid AI holds up pretty well. Finally, we arrive at the AI image feature. This one's simple. Just enter your prompt, and the software will generate an image for you. You can also combine 2 images into a new one. For instance, let's say you want this model to wear a specific dress. Just input the right prompt. Or take these 2 kids in separate images, upload them, and Deevid AI will blend them into one picture. Let me show you an example. I have 2 images, one of a girl and one of a skincare bottle. My goal: make it look like she's holding the bottle. I'll type that in as a prompt. Select Model V2.0. Keep the default frame. You can also choose how many image outputs you want, from 1 to 4. I'll pick 4 so we get 4 different variations. Click Create. Now we've got 4 AI-generated images all showing different ways she could be holding the bottle. And that wraps up the 3 main features of Deevid AI: image to video, text to video, AI image. As for the pricing, here's the breakdown. There are 3 plans. Lite, $14 per month with 200 credits. Pro, $35 per month with 600 credits. Premium, $159 per month with 3,000 credits. If you pay annually, you'll save 29%. You can also buy extra credits separately if needed. That's it for today. Want to create stunning videos from just text or images without touching a video editor? Deevid AI has everything you need. Click the link below to try it now, and hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome AI tools. See you in the next video.